Eufy RoboVac 11S Max. In 2024, it's seen as one of the top budget robot vacuums on the market. The 11S Max provides an economical option without compromising on cleaning quality, matching the performance of pricier models while being easy to use and maintain. The RoboVac 11S Max is excellent at removing various types of dirt and debris, from rice and Cheerios to pet hair and dust. Its slim, low-profile design allows it to slide under furniture and reach difficult spots, ensuring a thorough clean in every corner of your home. Plus, it operates quietly, so you can enjoy peace and quiet while at work. One of its standout features is the remote control, which lets you schedule cleaning sessions and adjust settings to suit your preferences. You could start the vacuum with a power button on the unit or via the remote. The remote also offers additional functions, including the ability to boost the vacuum's power. While standard mode is adequate for most cleaning tasks, you can upgrade to Boost IQ or even Max for tougher jobs. A notable advantage of the 11S Max is its quiet operation. Despite its powerful suction and good battery life, it runs silently, making it ideal for small to medium-sized apartments. Whether you're tackling daily messes or deep cleaning sessions, this vacuum has you covered without breaking the bank. The Eufy RoboVac 11S Max combines affordability, performance, and convenience, making it a perfect choice for budget-conscious buyers seeking a reliable and effective cleaning solution. For the listed price, this is amazing. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers.